Okay, hello guys. This is assignment one. Uh, this assignment one is a failure. Was a total disaster. I spent about 2 days here trying to figure this out. Totally underestimated this thing hugely. Uh, my biggest mistake here, well, my biggest problem. I wouldn't call it a mistake, but learned a little bit. But I started out. Instead of using Tembu, I tried to use the Google Calendar API directly because of the fact that I was able to find this little guy right here, Calendar Free Busy Corey, because what seemed to me was a big issue was everybody was trying to a lot of people were trying to sort through the dates and figure out how they were going to figure out what was free time and what matched up with not free time and how to put that all together between two calendars, and this little API seemed to handle all that, but the one problem was being able to make the call to Google's API, and I could not, for the life of me, get that up and running. So, eventually, of course, last minute, when there wasn't enough time, I decided to switch with the help of the teacher and some other people. I started working on the Tembu side of it, and made progress a lot quicker. I created a Tembu client for this, and I used the Google get all events, and it was quite easy. Just not a lot of options though versus the regular API. And from there, pretty much copied and pasted into the code here, and all I was able to do right now was basically get the program to start pulling. I was creating JSON objects for the calendars, and was just pulling right here is just their IDs. I was just pulling. I could have easily pulled the dates, but just for the sake of working with the JSON, I really haven't worked with that yet, so that was a learning curve. So I started out just pulling IDs and using JSON parser right here to parse them. So uh, I'll take you right through this program. What I've got so far. So far, I have here. These were just going to be test dates. Plug them in later on. I was hoping to eventually have an input for a user to enter the dates and times and so forth. And then down here, I was planning to use this simple date format or another one like it to work with some formats and maybe find a way to increment it. I was trying to find a way to get the date and then have the program just loop through and increment until over a certain period of time, which hopefully was going to be prescribed by the user, but I didn't make it nowhere near that. Down here, these were just two of my calendars I was comparing. I had same account, just two separate calendars on there. These are the IDs to the calendars, one and then two. And got down to here, I created a method that you could pass the calendar IDs into right there, and it would return the JSON object to that corresponded with that calendar ID, and then this, which is just a basic loop. Actually, got it off of one of the examples. Uh, I was gonna, I had intentions of taking that and was gonna use a bunch of if and else statements to run through and determine when there was free time and when there wasn't free time between the two calendars. So that's pretty much it. As far as I can get with this, the amount of time I put into it. So, and let me show you here proof that it does run. I mean, as far as I got it up to, it will pull down the IDs. It could easily be dates. I could switch that without a problem. doesn't matter now. I didn't make it. I didn't have the code to even work with the date, so that's all I could get. Got better luck next time, and yeah, that's it. So, thank you.